走り出した。塩でございます。Hey guys, how are we doing? So welcome back to another episode of Fishing Life Awaji. So today we have a great mission. Actually, we have to catch red snapper for one of my friend's daughter's birthday. We have a friend here, Mr. Mishima, and his daughter will be having her birthday pretty soon. So we have to catch red snapper, beautiful red snapper, to celebrate her birthday. It's kind of our tradition that we oftentimes serve red snapper to celebrate something on a celebration meal. So anyway, that's our duty today. So after catching maybe 1 or 2 red snapper each, we'd like to move on to Kawahage fishing because it's in the best season now. Okay, so let's go. So we made our first stop here. Flat sandy bottom, close from the structure. Kind of found a good signal on my fish finder. He's setting up his sabiki. So this is what I'm using today, and this rig is specifically designed for snapper fishing. And it's kind of a traditional fishing method in Japan. It's pretty simple. Tai means snapper, and raba means rubber. So here's a piece of rubber. So there's a sinker and this rubber and 2 hooks on it. So that's it, pretty simple rig. Hi, Tai, okoi. Tai, Tai, Tai. ここよくでっかいタイ釣れてるんですよ、ここ。今40です。めっちゃちっちゃいですよ。多分玉いらないです。サバフグですね。Probably you can't see through the camera, but we just found a school of dolphins over there. It's actually a bad sign for fishermen because of their sound waves or something. When they are around, all fish in the area are somehow intimidated and we cannot catch any fish for a while. So we have no choice but to enjoy dolphin watching for a while or immediately have to move to other area. So at first I kind of felt it just heavy and it didn't run at all. So I thought it was a grouper or something. But suddenly it started running. So just realized that it's yellowtail. But that wasn't either. It was a kid amberjack. Oh, yatta! Yatta! やりました。よいしょ。塩でございます。So Mr. Mishima got his amberjack too. So what I'm doing here is paralyzing the fish by letting the wire go through the nerve to maintain the quality of meat so that the meat is still living even after bringing them back home and be able to enjoy crunchy texture in sashimi. Okay. But at this point, we still haven't made our goals to catch red snapper for his daughter's birthday. And we kinda already gave up catching snapper and started our kawahagi fishing. My excuse, it's kinda hard to target one particular fish, especially the fish like snapper. And here he got really big kawahagi. He's so excited. So as a result, unfortunately we didn't get any snapper today, but instead we caught some other fish, especially this one, amberjack. We're kinda happy to make it for this one. And the yellowtail, I'll give it to him for his daughter's birthday. So anyway, we had a great day.